Grounding and Bonding, and the Canadian Electrical Code. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex Canadian electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course is founded on the Canadian Electrical Code. It explains the design, installation, and maintenance of grounding systems, with a focus on recent CE code changes. The course also clarifies which grounding tests can be done online and which require outages. What you'll learn. Students will study grounding fundamentals, bonding principles, faults, and subsystems. Topics include CE code changes such as new bonding subrules, water pipe removal, and alarm indicator requirements, station grounding and resistance limits, testing methods including online versus offline tests, and practical applications of CE code grounding rules in real-world facilities. This course delivers detailed course materials, lecture-based teaching, and group discussions. Students will learn how to interpret Canadian electrical code changes and strengthen their grounding compliance and testing strategies. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, technicians, design and project engineers, field electricians, maintenance personnel, supervisors, and compliance staff. This course comes with a Grounding and Bonding Training CE Code certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, a 100-page electrical grounding handbook, course coupons, and PDF resources. Master grounding systems under CE code, stay current with changes, and reduce electrical risks. Register today for EFTI's Grounding and Bonding Training CE code.